here today at JChat. We'll talk about a MIG welding machine and how to work it. First thing we're going to do is make sure the gauges are on, which this tank is on. Then we're going to take the ground. Check that ground. With the ground cable, you can connect your ground cable to the table, or you can connect it to the weld. So I'm going to connect one to the table. Right here. There's your big hose or line. This puts the wire right here to see. Feeds through the line, which you use to weld your piece together. Turn on your machine. This is your speed setting. Down here is your how hard the machine runs. Going live, as you can see. So let's get started. Make sure you always have safety glasses, the proper helmet, so you don't go blind. Welding gloves, it's important so you don't burn your hand. There you go. How you use a MIG welder, and that's it right there. You just want to make sure you turn the machine off, wrap everything back up, make sure you important thing, cut off your gas, and that's a wrap.